To connect Shopify with Printify and start selling custom printed products, follow these steps. Create a Printify account. Sign up for a Printify account if you haven't already. It's free to join. Install Printify app. Go to the Shopify app store and install the Printify app to your Shopify store. Connect your Shopify store. Log into your Printify account within the app and connect it to your Shopify store. Choose products. Browse through Printify's catalog of products, including apparel, accessories, and home goods. Select the products you want to sell in your Shopify store. Design your products. Customize your selected products by adding your designs or artwork using Printify's design tools. Set pricing and margins. Determine your selling price for each product, taking into account your costs and desired profit margins. Publish products to Shopify. Once your products are customized and priced, publish them to your Shopify store. They will appear in your Shopify dashboard, ready for sale. Manage orders. When customers place orders on your Shopify store, Printify automatically fulfills them. You can track orders, manage shipping, and monitor production status directly from your Printify dashboard.